Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We'll see tomorrow. My point of view, I think it's tomorrow will be a good game because both teams wants to play in attack. Both teams has very good squad, very good players, technical players, talent players, and our plans, I think, it's to play in attack, in build up, in high press. It's sure tomorrow people can watch a beautiful game. And of course, in my point of view, we want to take the first 3 points.
I think we have to think only in ourselves, in our team, and don't think in other games, in other teams. If we think in ourselves, it's better for us. Yes, the Durand Cup was very good for us because in some games we had a lot of problems with the timing, with the pitches, with the other things. And I think these things I don't know, nos han hecho más fuertes, ¿cómo se llama?
More strong, I believe.
Yes, now we are more strong like a team. And I think our confidence is when we won the Durand Cup.